Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for Conecuh County in south-central Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in south-central Alabama, Monroe County in south-central Alabama, northwestern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, central Clark County in southwestern Alabama, northern Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, Washington County in southwestern Alabama, until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. At 5:29 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Monroeville, Satsuma, Jackson, Citronelle, Evergreen, Creola, Frisco City, Groveville, Chatham, Chunchula, Stockton, McCullough, Peterman, Leroy, Lagerville, St. Stephen's, Deer Park, Gulfcrest, Axis and Uriah. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: Baldwin, Clark, Conecuh, Escambia, Mobile, Monroe, and Washington. National Weather Service in Mobile is a flash flood warning for southwestern Monroe County in south-central Alabama, north-central Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, southeastern Clark County in southwestern Alabama, until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday. At 6:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain with several roads impassable across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. The additional heavy rain is going to result in further flooding. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Monroeville, Frisco City, Peterman, Uriah, Excel, Homewood, Barlow Bend, Manistee, Jetto, Palmer's Crossroads, Aliska, Gainestown, Mineola, Purdue Hill, Mount Pleasant, McGargill, Claiborne, Goodway, Chrysler and Monella. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin, Clark and Monroe. The following weather report